Alright, so I screwed it up already. I got the wrong kind of diced tomatoes. This had lime and cilantro, which I don't like. So we're back to square one. So hold on. I screwed it up. I bought the wrong kind of damn Rotel.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you have to pick this sausage out. This ain't Rotel. Look over there and see if I have some Rotel. Should be with the cans on the left side. And on the right side.
Hey, what's Rotel?
Can of stewed or chopped tomatoes.
What does that look like?
A can, baby, that says chopped tomatoes.
Chopped
Come on.
tomatoes. I found some.
Does it say Rotel?
No.
What does it say?
It says diced.
Diced? That's what I need, but does it say anything else?
One of them says petite, like me.
No, that ain't what I want. I can't believe I screwed this up.
Oh, I'm too funny today.
You are on a roll, aren't you?
Which one? There's another one.
Show me what else it's got.
I think there's another one. There's not another one. There's this one.
Oh, that's chili. I don't want chili.
Oh.
Give me that petite.
Petite.
So now I got to take this out because I burned it. I can smell it. God bless.
That's not good. Okay,
I tell you what it will do though.
what?
It'll make a perfect shit happens video
To the best person.
because it certainly did shit happen.
Oh, yep.
Yeah.
That's the name.
All kind of tomatoes. Oh.
What? Yeah, Granny, you just gotta dug it out.
Alright, part 3. So the first time I put the wrong kind of tomatoes. Second time I burnt the pan. So we're going to try it one more time, okay? This stuff really is good. And I do know how to cook. Okay, so this is all I had. I wanted Rotel, but this is what I had. So you know what? That's what I'm going to use. Put that in there. You're supposed to use kale, but I don't like kale. So I'm going to put some chopped spinach in there. I'm going to put a bag of chopped mustard greens, which I do like. Doing this with one hand. What do they say? Scat happens? Well, let me tell you, it happens. It's going to be good. It's going to be good, y'all. I'm making a mess. Oh, I've got greens all over the floor, all over the thing. It ain't easy to do it with one hand. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you. Hold on. Alright. And I got a can of collard greens. Not a can. A bag. I don't know what I'm doing today, to be honest with you. I am messed up today. Okay, I'm going to put this in here. All that together. I got to clean my stove now. And I'm going to put some, I don't know how much. I have no idea. This is chicken broth. I have no idea how much. I'm going to put that much, whatever that is. Maybe a cup. I don't know what it is. Alright, then I'm going to put the lid on. I'm going to let this cook down. We're going to come back in a minute and I'm going to go clean my stove. Be back in a minute. Okay, I did not have any Rotel, so I added some onions and some jalapenos. I have no idea what that's going to do, but we'll try it. Now I'm going to just let it cook for a while. A little simmer going on. I'll be back. Alright, voila. Here is the finished product. No, I'm not left-handed. we shall have some. It's really good with cornbread, but of course I don't have any cornbread. Scat happens all over the place with this dinner. All right, I'll let you know how it tastes. Bye.
Smell.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Oh, hey. Okay. Here it is. I'm going to try it.
Yum. It looks good.
It is good. It's hot. Oh, it's good. It's so healthy, too. I made a mess making it, but it turned out really good. And so y'all should try it. I'll put the recipe in the comments, like everybody else does. Bon appetit.